Hello, welcome. We need to find the area of this triangle. Let us call it as triangle A, B, C, and I'm going to call this point as point D. The area of triangle is given by a half multiplied by base multiplied by height. For the case of our triangle, they gave us the base of 6, but we don't have the height. And also, this is isosceles triangle, means distance AB is equal to distance AC. That is isosceles triangle. This means that the HAD, it partitions the triangle at the middle. So distance CD is the same as distance DB. These they're equal. If that is the case, that means CD plus DB, this is equal to CB, but CD is equal to DB. Let's call them as equal to A. A plus A is equal to CB, which is equal to 6 centimeter. From here, we can get the value of A, that is 2A. This is equal to 6. I'll divide by 2. I'll divide by 2. By 2, 1. By 2, 1. By 2, 1. By 2, we got 3. So A is equal to 3. Now, distance CD is 3, and distance DB also is 3. I'm going to take triangle ADB to get the height. Here they give us 5 centimeter, and here we get 3 centimeter. So we can get the height by using Pythagoras Theorem. We know A square plus B square, this is equal to C square. A is equal to 3, that is 3 square plus B square. C is equal to 5, this is equal to 5 square. 9 plus B square, this is equal to 25. B square is equal to 25. Take away 9. We got B square is equal to 16. We underroot both sides. We got B is equal to 4 centimeter. This is the same as the height. So height is equal to 4 centimeter. So here is 4 centimeter. From here now, we can easily find our area. Our area is given by a half multiplied by base multiplied by height. That is, area is equal to a half multiplied by base is 6 multiplied by the height, which is 4, by 2, 1, by 2, it is 3. Our area is equal to 3 multiplied by 4, we got 12. This is centimeter square. I hope you understand the question that we have done. Let me leave with you with the question. We're supposed to find the value of x to this right-angled triangle. Comment your answer to the comment section. For more questions about triangles, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.